Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to see who viewed your Snapchat story. So in order to do this, you want to come to this screen right here. If you want to go to this screen, simply tap on the circle or your icon in the top left corner, and that's going to open up this menu here. And then if you have a Snapchat story, you'll be able to see it right here towards the middle of the screen where it says My Story. You can go ahead and tap in the middle of this bar, and that's going to open up all of your individual snaps within this story. So I only have one snap in this story right now. If I had multiple, they would be listed here. If you want to view your own story, simply tap the circle with the little white line around it. That's going to let you view your own story, and it's just going to go through the whole thing. If you want to view an individual snap, just tap on this circle for that individual one. In this instance, it's the same one just because I only have one snap on here. And you can close this out by just swiping up and down. Let's go ahead and tap on this again, and you can see all of the details here on the bottom of the screen. It has 63 views, 0 screenshots. I can also delete that or download it. And if we swipe up from the bottom, this little arrow, that's going to allow us to see who has viewed this individual snap. So it's going to list all of your friends that have viewed it, and then it's going to list all of the other Snapchatters that have viewed it. And it's going to do that individually. So if I did another Snapchat, maybe that would have 5 views. I can do the same thing and see which 5 people viewed that one. And there you have it, a quick overview of Snapchat stories and how you can see who has viewed your story. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.